communication and the camaraderie is almost the exact same level as when I worked in the Marine Corps here. Some of the people here are just civilians, but that they carry those same characteristics that took a lot of us 3 months or even more of training to get instilled to us, and they just carry it in themselves because they know what it means, and it really shows that it's a trait that's in everyone. It just depends on the type of person that you can bring it out of. Going solar American style means you're gonna be buying products from a veteran-owned company who hires veterans who fight for your freedoms. We're trying to give back even more, and that's what we wanna do. And people supporting us and buying it up from us is pretty much the American way, Americans helping Americans.